You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable dark mode in WhatsApp on both iPhone and Android. On an iPhone, open WhatsApp and go to the Settings tab, tap Chats, then tap Theme, select Dark. The app will switch to a dark color scheme. You can also set it to follow your system theme by selecting System Default. On Android, open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, then Chats, then Theme. Choose Dark. For automatic switching, select System Default. If you don't see these options, update your WhatsApp from the App Store. Dark mode reduces eye strain in low light conditions and can save battery life on phones with OLED screens. The feature changes the background of your chats, contact lists, and settings menus to dark gray or black while keeping chat bubbles distinct. Remember, enabling dark mode here only affects WhatsApp. To enable system-wide dark mode on your phone, go to your iPhone's display and brightness settings or your Android's display settings. When set to system default, WhatsApp will follow that phone setting. You can switch back to light mode at any time by returning to the same theme menu and selecting light. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.